Welcome back to another video of 30 Days CAD Challenge, where we would be making 3D models out of 2D models. Today we are going to make model 16. The learning outcome that you would get from this video are how to use sweep boss base feature and how to use sweep cut feature. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's start. Go into plane, sketch. Okay. Now to make this, first of all we would draw this curve. Okay, so take center point arc, take this point and make it till here. Okay, make this in this vertical and this horizontal. Okay, now give it a radius which is given 26 mm. Okay, and then exit the sketch. Okay, now go to features, reference plane, click on this point and this line. You would get a plane like this. Press OK, sketch on this plane, normal to, make a circle which is given 29 mm dia, 29 mm dia. Okay, and also just first of all do this and then go to sweep boss base feature. Okay, now here click on sketch profile. For this profile click on this circle, and to make this curve click over here this path and click on here. See, you get an overview how it would look. Press on OK. Okay, now again we would make a circle in between it to make it extruded cut, but here we would use sweep cut feature to do this. Now again sketch on this plane, make a circle of which is given 21 mm dia. Control press this circle and this circle, make it concentric. Okay, now go to features. First of all exit the sketch and then go to sweep cut feature. It would automatically select this sketch, and to give it a path, go in the model tree, open this and click sketch 1. Okay, look, you get an overview and click on OK. Okay, now the simple part is left to make these squares. Just go on to sketch. Okay, and now make this square. Take center rectangle, okay, and give it a dimension 36 by 36. Just take center line, make a center line. Okay, now then click on this point and click on this point and make it coincident. Okay, okay, now what do we have to do? Now make it shoot of 5 mm. And also give it a fillet of radius 2 mm. Okay. Now we have to make these holes. Over here, sketch and number 2. Now we would make these circles, these 4 circles. Control press all these 4 circles and make it equal. Okay. Give it dimension, which is 6 di. Okay. Okay. Now go to features, extruded cut, and just make it 1 mm deep. Okay. And then again number 2. Okay. Click on these 4 circles, make it equal, and give it dimension 3 di. Okay. And then make it extruded cut 12. Okay. Okay. Now to make this over here, go on to sweep 1 and over here, go on to edit sketch, take a point and make a point at the center line. Okay. And then exit. Okay. Now at this point and this path. Okay. Then control plus this all features, go on to mirror and click on this plane and okay. Okay. Now we have to just make these over here normal to 21 dia. Okay. Okay. Then just extrude cut of 5 mm. Okay. And take this extrude cut feature, mirror it over here and okay. Hide this plane and hide this plane and also hide this path. Okay. So here our model 16 is complete. Do let us know if you came across any difficulty in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe to our channel Start Scratch, and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content. Thank you, and I would see you guys in the next one.